comparing every model of Govo 900 series.
Please like and subscribe.
Comment your favorite model. Song name Alan Walker Dreamer Bose and Helene Remix.
All the scars let's leave them behind. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. A broken paper is your mind. All the scars let's leave them behind. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. Is your mind. All the scars let's leave them behind. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. A broken paper is your mind. All the scars let's leave them behind. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. Let us fire in your eyes to the
तो आप सुन सकते हैं भाई, ये वाला स्पीकर अभी प्ले कर रहा है।
broken paper is your mind. All the scars let's leave them behind. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. A broken paper is your mind. All the scars let's leave them behind. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night. Into the night. A broken paper is your mind. All the scars let's leave them behind. We'll light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes to the darkness into the night.
Out of all Govo 960 performance was not good under 12,000. Govo 970 is amazing under 10,930 and 900 performance is too good. Most value for money product is 930. If you love true 5.1, go with 970.
Please like and subscribe.